Welcome. Today we present the first traffic light explosion. In the second part, you can use our self-check system to verify your comprehension and speaking skills. Part 1. Read and listen. Did you know that the first traffic light in history was not electric, but powered by gas? At that time, electricity was not common at all, so engineers tried to build a light using gas flames. Cities were growing fast and traffic was becoming a real problem for carts, carriages, and pedestrians. People needed a system to control dangerous roads because accidents were a daily and serious issue. So in 1868, in London, the very first traffic light was installed near the Houses of Parliament. It was designed by J.P. Knight, a railway expert, who used red and green gas lamps for signals. The device stood on a tall pole, and a police officer changed the light manually when needed. For a few days, the new invention worked well, and people watched it with great curiosity. But one evening, a small gas leak occurred inside the lamp, creating a very dangerous situation. The gas ignited suddenly, causing an explosion that injured the officer who was operating the device. The accident frightened everyone, and the city decided to remove the gas traffic light immediately. For many years after that, traffic was controlled by officers in the street who used hand signals to stop or move the carriages. Only with the arrival of electricity did engineers try again to build signals. The first electric models were safer and brighter, and some even used 4 colors instead of 3. The extra color was used for pedestrians, a signal that indicated when they could cross the street. Over time, the system was simplified, and the 3 colors we know today were adopted everywhere. Now, red, yellow, and green seem completely normal to us, but they were once an incredible innovation. Behind every intersection, there is a long history of experiments, mistakes, and finally real progress. Did you know this fact? Tell me in the comments if it was a surprise. Help this channel grow, share this video. Part 2. Time for your self-check. Listen to these summary sentences and repeat after me before reading the text. The first traffic light used gas. Electricity was not common yet. It was installed in London in 1868. A police officer operated it. Traffic was already a problem. People needed safer intersections. The gas light worked for a while. A leak caused a dangerous fire. The lamp exploded suddenly. The officer was injured badly. The project was abandoned fast. Officers returned to hand signals. Electricity changed everything. New models were safer and bright. Some had 4 colors at first. Today we use only 3 lights. This story ends here. We recommend watching this video for several days until all phrases and words are fully assimilated. Check our playlists to find your level. And follow our progressive stories. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click like.